Hello rabbits, this video is for all of you. Blue team, green team, and yellow team. So, remember that first of all, you need to all just reread your story. I know that you've read this story already twice. You have to read it for a third time. It's good practice. Remember, good practice. We look at patterns. We'll learn new vocabulary. Read your story one more time. So green team is reading I Am Your Plant. Blue team is reading Go Animals Go. And yellow team is reading What I Like. Finally, your writing assignment this time will be a beautiful story map, friends. You are familiar with this already. A story map, okay? And what I want you to do is to story map your story, the story that you read. It's going to be a little bit tricky. Some stories are different, but I want to see what you come up with, okay? So you're going to write, don't forget, in here, book title, very carefully, book title, all right? Please, friends, write on the lines, okay? Book title. Here, the main character is, write it, and then draw it. In here, the setting is, write it and draw it. And in here, we're going to make a super short summary of the story by telling or retelling what happens at the beginning. Just draw a little picture in the middle and at the end. All right? Is that clear? Okay, remember that I'm here to help you. And I hope that everything is going super well. I love you very much, and I'll see you soon.